To download Robinhood on Mac, start by opening the App Store on your computer. You can find the App Store in the Applications folder or by using the Spotlight search function. Once the App Store is open, click on the search bar at the top right corner of the window and type in Robinhood. Select the Robinhood app from the search results, which should be listed as Robinhood Invest Savings Crypto. This will take you to the app's page where you can read more about its features and reviews from other users. Next, click on the Get button to begin the download process. If you are not already signed in to the App Store, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and password. After signing in, the download will start automatically. You can track the progress of the download from the Purchased tab in the App Store. Once the download is complete, click on the Open button to launch the Robinhood app. When you open the app for the first time, you will be asked to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process, which will require you to provide some personal and financial information. After your account is set up, you can start using the Robinhood app to buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Make sure to review the app's terms and conditions, as well as its fees and commissions, before making any investments. It is also important to keep your account and computer secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. This will help protect your personal and financial information from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Robinhood app on your Mac and start investing in the stock market. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.